Hi, this is Greg from the Rio Grande Jewelry Tech team, and today we're going to talk about J-zF alignment procedure. Let's get started. Okay, so you might be thinking about why it might be necessary to verify the alignment. And some reasons are that you may have had some maintenance done on the crucible chamber or the flask chamber, or after you cast and you pull out your flask and you see little beads of metal on top. That should tell you that you're going to need an alignment, and you start looking at that. First, we need to get together the necessary parts, which is the alignment plate and the alignment block. Okay, so to begin, let's first make sure that the power is on. The crucible chamber is empty, the flask chamber is empty, and it's all cooled down. Then we're going to open this up. We're going to place the alignment plate here and then close the chamber. So now from the home screen, we're going to hit Settings, Machine Test, Enable Test, and Flask Clamp Solenoid. Next, we're going to open up the crucible chamber like this and insert the alignment block in the top. Make sure it's nice and snug and it's down all the way and it's straight and true. And at this point, this one is done. So it's aligned, it's perfect. So now we're going to take the block out. Then we're going to release the clamp solenoid, disable the test, go back to the home screen, and you're done. Okay, so if the block does not align, what you're going to have to do now is go through the alignment process. So you're going to pull the block out. I'm going to unlock the flask clamp. Then you open the flask chamber. Next, we're going to remove this plate, and these are 3mm hex screws, and we're just going to loosen this and take them off real quick. Then this is a 24mm bolt. This will have to be loosened. Then we loosen these 6mm screws at the bottom. Then we close up the chamber. Then we're going to insert the block. Then we're going to lock it up. So we locked it up. It feels good. It's nice and tight and aligned. Okay, so next we're going to tighten all these screws and bolts back up while the block is still in there. Then we're going to pull the block out, release the clamp, disable the test, go back to the home screen, and then you're done. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, contact us.